My name is Kriswensi Ivi Umbo. The answer number 1, because working in travel and tourism industry, which is dynamic or always growing, make us have to continue to learn to add insight and knowledge, especially in the tourist industry. We will meet various people with different backgrounds who enable us to create fun things with our hospitality. And also working in travel and tourism industry, we must have insight and knowledge in order to be able to explain to tourists about matters related to tourists, for example, in tourist attraction. Even with our attitude and hospitality, we must be able to make tourists feel comfortable, safe, and pleasant. The answer number 2, accommodation that has implemented health protocols properly so that it's safe for tourists is hotel. Because from the entries of the hotel directly apply health protocols such as washing hands, as hand sanitizer, and checking body temperature. If our body temperature is above 37 Celsius, we are not allowed to enter. Besides that, at the reservation desk, we have to adjust the distance, and the employees also wear complete personal protective equipment. In the elevator, we also have to keep our distance and see the side on the floor and the elevator. This also hand sanitizer. And the hotel room, disinfectant has also been sprayed so that guests are comfortable and safe. And breakfast at the hotel is also not directly brought down to the guest room with a stereo stage covered with plastic. The answer number 3, because one of the components in the travel and tourist industry in the interaction between tourists and the environment in which the tourist object is local. So of course it cannot be spread from the local wisdom, culture, etiquette, and community falls at exist in this tourist object, and also local wisdom and culture follows an attraction for tourists who want to visit tourist attraction. The answer number 4, I think Labuan Bajo is one the jewels of Indonesia that will be visited during this pandemic by implemented health protocols. Because Labuan Bajo displayed a very beautiful open air tourist attraction, and this also due to the low level at the spread of the COVID-19 virus in NTT. Labuan Bajo has also implemented good health protocols in tourist attraction. The answer number 5, its function is to make it easier for us to travel, because during the pandemic we also have to a rapid test later stating negative, and we also have to fill out a health alert email, and in order to get to destination. We can also ask email whenever and wherever we are, so it makes it easier to people. Thank you.